Y'all, I set up the thermostat in the hallway, and by the way, I am about to go to the Diva concert. Behave with your babysitter.
Okay.
I'm not staying with a stupid babysitter. I want to go tea.
Hi, I'm about to babysit ya.
Get a life, bozo.
Oh, what did you say?
Raymond, I said shut up, bozo. I hate being grounded, that's it. I'm about to turn off the furnace first, I need to find it. There it is, the furnace.
Okay, I will go to Denny's for. Let me check my phone.
Raymond, I smell something burning in the furnace.